Children, today we are dealing with the first chapter of maths. Okay, the first chapter in maths is pre-number concepts. There are few concepts which we have to learn before going into the calculations or before going into the numbers. So these concepts are very important in maths. So today we are dealing with few concepts. The first one is more and less. Turn your textbooks to page number 54. In page number 54 you can see that there are few images here and it is more and less. Now we can see few stars in one circle and few stars in some circle. Now what is more? More ante enti? Chala, ekkuva. Less ante konni, takkuva. So we are dealing with more and less today. Now here, now I am taking one circle and I am putting some stars in it. Okay. Please draw all the stars. Okay. I have one more circle and I am putting few more stars in this. Okay. Children, in PP2 you have already gone through these concepts, but I am telling you again. Okay. More and less. Now, how can you say that this circle has more number of stars or this circle has more number of stars? That is by counting. That is by counting. Come on, now start counting the stars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this circle have 10 stars. Okay. Now start counting in this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. These are 5 stars. Now which is the biggest number? 10 is the biggest number. So circle A has a largest more number of stars. So these are more and these are less. Yes children, these are more and these are less. So this is called more and less concept. If we take one more example, second one. Now I have a box here. I have two boxes. One is A, one is B. I have few balls in it. Okay. Now I have few balls in it. See, here how many balls are there in A box? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 balls. In B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 balls. Now which box is having more balls? B is having more balls. So this is and A is having less balls. Here A is having more stars, B is having less stars. So this is the concept of more and less. Children, did you understand? Now please copy this in your text, in your classwork book, and do the page number 54 in your textbook. Is that clear, children? Copy this in your classworks and do page number 54 in your textbook. Pause. Okay children, so we have done with more and less. Now we are going to the second concept, which is tall and short. Tall and short. Page number 55. Tall and short. Children, you know what is tall? Tall ante poduga. Short ante pottiga. Tall ante poduga. Short ante pottiga. For example, here you can see one coconut tree. Yes, that coconut tree is a tall tree. And you also can see grass. So grass is a short. Coconut tree is tall, whereas grass is short. So coconut tree is taller than the grass. Understood? Now I'll draw few pictures here. You tell me which is tall and which is short. So this is coconut tree and this is grass. Now which is taller? The tree is taller, whereas grass is shorter. The tree is taller, the grass is shorter. Tree poduga undi, grass pottiga undi. Kada? Unkoka example cheptanu. Okay? Now this is a person. This is one person This person's name is Rahul. This person's name is Ramesh. Okay. Now tell me who is taller? Who is taller? Ever podugga unnaru? Rahul is taller than Ramesh. Okay. Rahul is taller than Ramesh. Rahul podugunnadu. Ramesh pottiga unnadu. So Rahul is taller than Ramesh. Ramesh is shorter than Rahul. Okay. So this is the concept of tall and short. Please copy this in your classworks. Come on. Children. Okay children, we have done with more and less, and the second one we have done with tall and short. Now the third concept is big and small. Big and small. You all know what is big and what is small. Big ante peddadi, small ante chinnadi. Big ante peddadi, small ante chinnadi. Elephant is a big animal. Rat is a small animal. Kada? Elephant is a big animal, whereas rat is a small animal. So the next concept we are dealing for today is big and small. For example, this is a big ball, this is a small ball. This is a big ball and this is a small ball. Yes children, did you understand? Idi pedda ball, idi chinna ball. This is a big ball, whereas this is a small ball. And one more example. Okay. Now I have two fishes here. Okay. This is a big fish, whereas this is a small fish. This is a big fish. This is a small fish. Understand children? This is a big ball and this is a small ball. Whereas this is a big fish and this is a big small fish. Did you understand? Please copy this in your classworks. Okay children, today we have done with the pages 54 and 55. Now, your homework is please copy more and less, tall and short, big and small in your classworks, and please paste the pictures of more and less, paste the pictures of tall and short, paste the pictures of big and small in your classworks. Did you understand? Paste the pictures of more and less, paste the pictures of tall and short, paste the pictures of big and small in your classwork. Please don't tear from the textbook. Textbook lonchi chimpi paste cheyoddu. Baita vere books lo nunchi lepothe stationery lo meeku pictures dorukutayi. Avi teeskoni vachi mee class work lo more and less paste cheyali. Tall and short you have to paste and big and small also you have to paste. This is your homework. Please do homework page number 54 and 55 and also the pasting work. Is that clear? Tomorrow we'll do the other two concepts. Okay, is that clear? I hope you all understood all the three concepts, more and less, tall and short, big and small. Tomorrow we'll be going with a new concept. Is that clear children? I want all you to do the homework and send me in WhatsApp group. Thank you. God bless you.